Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Lee and today we're going to be covering something that will help you when you're styling in Microsoft PowerPoint. More specifically, we'll be taking a look at variants, which will allow you to quickly apply your styling specific to your brand and your theme for your organization. So for this example, we have just kind of a default PowerPoint with some sample text and styling. And this will be essentially the foundation for our example here today. Once you have your presentation displayed, the first thing you'll want to do is come over to the Design tab in your ribbon. And once selected, there is going to be a section to your right-hand side. It's going to say Variants. Go ahead and click on the drop-down for that. Once selected, we'll then see the different options where we can clickily apply our themes to our presentation. The first of which is being colors. So if we hover over colors, we can then see all of the preset color themes from Office, and also if you have any custom themes. So we can see here at the top that we have a custom theme for the colors specific to the Computer Workshop. As you hover over each of the options, you can see how they're applied to the current slide. So if you want to see how any of these color themes apply to a slide, just want to scroll down or select the slide you want to view, and then you can then hover over the color options and see how they're applied to the slide. If you want to apply custom colors to your PowerPoint, what you'll want to do is on the drop down here, go back to the color section. At the bottom of the list will be the option for customize colors. And once that's displayed, you can set a theme that is specific to color values such as RGB or HSL. And you can do that by selecting one of the elements that you want to have a customized color for, selecting more colors, and then the custom tab here, which again you can add the RGB values or the HSL values of your colors. Alright, and we're just going to go ahead and change the color of this PowerPoint just for the sake of this example. And then we're going to take a look at the next way to quickly apply themes to your PowerPoint, and that is through fonts. So once we hover over the fonts section, much like the colors, at the top of the list will be any custom font themes that you have. So we have one for the Computer Workshop, for example. Also, any Office presets font types and font themes will be listed here. And if you want to go ahead and customize your fonts, go ahead and select Customize Fonts at the bottom of the list. Once it's displayed, you can then select the heading font, the body font of the theme that you want to have applied to your slideshow. So we can select different headings, different body text type. It will then display here in the samples, kind of show you what it looks like, and then you can also give it a name so you can easily find it in your themes. The last part of today's example to show you how to quickly style your PowerPoint is through backgrounds. So we'll go ahead and select on the drop down for variants once more, and then come down to background styles. And then from here we can hover over the different options to see how these colors would be applied to our PowerPoint. And of course, if you'd like custom colors applied to your background, you'd simply want to select this Format Background option, and then from here you can customize your background even further. So we can now scroll through the different slides of our presentation and see how those color themes, how those font themes have then been applied to our presentation. As always, thank you for tuning in today. I hope that you found this helpful, and if you did, be sure to like the video and show your support. As I always mention, PowerPoint is a very robust application, much like all the other applications of the Microsoft Office suite, so there's always things to learn. So if you have any suggestions for our next video, be sure to leave it in the comment section below. Also, subscribe to our channel if you're not already, so you can catch tutorials like this uploaded every Friday at 9 a.m. Lastly, I invite you to visit www.tcworkshop.com and check out all of our upcoming training. As I just mentioned, there's a lot to learn in PowerPoint as well as all of the other Microsoft Office products, so definitely want to take a training with us. We'll show you all the ins and outs and make your jobs a lot easier. Thanks for tuning in. We hope to see everyone in the next video.